Y'all, so if you follow me on Facebook, then you saw the air fried turkey leg. Like, sis did that. Oh my God. When I tell y'all I'm so proud of myself, like, sis, I'm having a personal conversation here. Sis, you did that. I know, girl. But yeah, like, seriously, I'm so proud of myself. And one of the things that I'm learning is the beauty of seasoning up my food. Like, that really has ignited my taste buds. And so I'm ready to just air fry everything. Like, I'll air fry you if you were standing here. No, seriously, we get ready to get into these air fried turkey legs. Recipe inspo is from Cooking with Doug. Like, y'all, if y'all not in his Facebook group, Air Frying with Doug, or follow him on YouTube, like, y'all really missing out, because I love to recreate his, air fried recipes or whatever. So without further ado, let's get on into it, darlings. Yes. Look, I just realized I forgot to say, hey everybody, it's your girl Nijah, aka Air Fryer Bae. So yeah. Anyway, let's go on and get cooking. So you know me, I'm just throwing in whatever seasonings I got. And I actually had seasoned it the day before yesterday. But I was like, for the tube, I got to do it a little bit more. Like, sis got to come with it just a little bit harder. So you see me going in with my garlic, my slap your mama, some of this grill mates, browning season, and then I got some paprika. Yeah, I'm just, like I said, just freestyling, just making the recipe my own. Again, that is the beauty of it all. Like, and I told you, I'm having so much fun enjoying this entire process. Yes. Okay. All right, so now that all of our seasons are on, I had to go in and put me on a second glove so I can make sure we get all up in the skin, get all up in the crooks, the nooks, and the crevices of this leg of turkey, okay? Because like I said, we got to come with it. Like, sis, who was that Dougie Fresh that was like, ain't no half stepping? So yeah, we got to, like I said, go harder with this seasoning, okay? All right, so now that I got this turkey leg seasoned to my liking, now I'm going to drop it in the air fryer basket. And believe it or not, I did not coat it with any nonstick cooking spray this time. No particular reason. I just want to see what happened. But yeah, temperature is 370. Time is 35 minutes. And here you see me checking it at the halfway mark. And it's looking quite nice. So I'm just going to flip it on the other side, spray it, and let it cook for the remaining 17 minutes. And we almost done. Y'all still with me or not? Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Looking nice. We're gonna put this on a plate, and that's gonna be dinner. Bon appetit. All right, guys, so here's the final plate. Yeah, sis did that. Look at this. Get into this air fried leg of turkey, okay? Then get into these butter noodles with a little parsley, the little bit of Parmesan cheese, and then I got my spinach on the side. So yeah, it's time to eat. So guess what, y'all? Air Fryer Bae has done it again. See y'all in the next one. Bye.